Servus und hallo. Welcome to this more personal video. Where you see coffee spilled on my t-shirt. It is kind of an announcement video because I currently, as you may have noticed, don't have time to produce that much or YouTube videos at all. Most of the time they were for my German Lab YouTube channel and they were just reactions that don't take a lot of time. It is a combination of private life stress and then work stress and then company, like having my own company stress, which you can see some some ideas written down on the whiteboard behind me. Yeah, it has been fairly difficult also because, I'm not the hustler type person that works 120 hours a week, which is really unhealthy. I usually, like when I'm on productive weeks, I work about like 80 and then crash after 2.5 weeks and then do nothing for 1.5 weeks and then try to get back up again, but that's really unhealthy. And I try to get the balance, which is not that easy if you have to eat. Because I want to achieve all these great things, but I don't have the capital or money to do anything because I need to study. Studying is the next thing. I'm currently not actively studying. I'm immatriculated. I'm written in the uni, but I will start moving to a different sector of to another field of study, which is architecture and civil engineering, and mobility management is in that. And this will take a lot of time, and I don't know when we will see each other for the next time, because I'm trying to focus on the business. I'm currently building the website. I'm putting tabletop tiles. Yeah, that's new videos. I'm trying to make them commercially with magnets, with like the good German hard XPS that we all know and love. And yeah, it's like for me, I'm 100% self-taught. So it's kind of hard, and I have nobody that helps me, and sometimes it's hard. Yeah. Like mentally, I'm fine. I'm active on Twitter. If you want anything, I'm currently trying to spread my network of shops because of the basis, getting an injection molding company, getting a good offer, then finding good customers, because eBay, although eBay is good and my own website is also good, most of the bases would be best to sell to tabletop shops near me or like in Hessen, which is the kind of state that I live in Germany. If you don't know, Germany has Bundesländer, so-called. They are like states, but small in comparison to the US, for example. And yeah, it would be great if I could basically take the money from them to buy all the bases that I need and then ship them their bases and yada yada yada. Basic economics, really. But that takes time, effort, and I currently have received a letter that I can do my truck driving license, because I'm a firefighter, and I need to do that. I have work, private life. It's a lot, and I want to take a break for at least 6 months. So yes. This channel is getting great traction anyways, because of some videos that I made that I may want to revisit. But yes, I will see you in the next video. I hope you print something and that you have no print failures. Tschüss und auf Wiedersehen.